We would like to thank our dear mentors Avinash sir and Muskan ma'am for guiding us throughout the preparation of this presentation. This subject can be broken down into the following fields. First, NPCI's introduction. Second, NPCI's products. Third, SWOT analysis. And fourth, its conclusion. Have you ever wondered how payments in recent times have been so convenient and hassle-free? It is due to the presence of a statutory body, NPCI, under the Ministry of Finance. NPCI is an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India. It is an initiative of RBI and IBA under the provision of Payments and Settlement System Act 2007 for creating a robust payment and settlement infrastructure in India. It created a unified payment interface which helps in bringing about interoperability of digital transactions. NPCI has created a separate subsidiary called the NIPL to take its product to the global market. This organization is getting offers from nations around the world, Africa, Asia and Middle East to improve the payment infrastructure in their country. NPCI during its journey has made a significant impact on the retail payment systems in India. Even popular banks like SBI are promoting NPCI.
Striving to convert India into Digital India. Digital India will be achieved by UPI. Now, what is UPI? UPI मतलब यूनिफाइड पेमेंट इंटरफेरेंस। ये एक ऐसा तरीका है, एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जिससे आप अपने बैंक अकाउंट से किसी के भी बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो इंस्टेंटली। नाउ व्हाट इज यूपीआई? यूपीआई के पीछे है कौन? सो दिस इज द इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय एनपीसीआई, नेशनल पेमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, द अथॉरिटी हु मैनेज द इंटर बैंक ट्रांजेक्शन. For example, I have an account in SBI. I need to transfer money to your account which is in Punjab National Bank. Then transaction will be managed by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. The growth of UPI has been increased exponentially in the past 5 years. Now, what is the limit of a UPI? So, the limit set by the NCPI till now is 1 lakh per transaction. Now, is UPI safe? तो आपको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. यूपीआई इज बैक्ड बाय एनपीसीआई which manage it, and it is protected by two-step verification process. That is, you need to enter a MPIN number to make the transaction successful. Between BHIM UPI and a UPI. BHIM UPI stands for Bharat Interface for Money, and UPI Unified Payment Interface. UPI is a payment model that's allow you to send or receive money through your mobile phone or any UPI ID. Whereas BHIM UPI is a mobile wallet app that's allow you to drive that payment online. UPI act as a platform for different mobile wallet to makes the transaction possible. Whereas BHIM UPI is the app that we use to make the transaction possible. Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, etc. are the BHIM UPI app which we use to make a UPI transaction successful.
रुपए क्या है? रुपए कैन बी एब्रिवेटेड एज रूपी एंड पेमेंट, मीन्स पैसों की लेन देन. पैसों की लेन देन करने के लिए जनरली हम क्या यूज करते हैं? आजकल नई चीजें जो आई हैं, डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, ये सब कहाँ से आई है? ये सब रुपए इशू करता है. रुपए वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन 2012 बाय नेशनल पेमेंट्स कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, फंक्शंस विद द डोमेस्टिक बाउंड्रीज. रुपे कार्ड होल्डर्स कैन यूज द सर्विस फॉर ATM withdrawals, ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शंस एंड कार्ड पेमेंट्स. Rupee has been taken over the Indian markets by lowering its transaction cost for local transactions. Nowadays, we link our Aadhars to our accounts. It uses Aadhaar-enabled bank accounts to give subsidies by governments and many other benefits used by direct bank transfer. It is a scheme under APB, the Aadhaar Payment Bridge. Rupee has recently launched non-common mobility cards for contactless payments. Now moving on to NFS. NFS is a network of ATMs, also comprises of the bank cash recyclers, cash deposit machines, etc. to deposit the cash into your own account or into a third-party account. Moving on to NETC. The tolls you pass nowadays don't take cash. Instead, they use a sticker called as FASTag. FASTag is having a unique radio frequency identification which is a scheme under NETC, also known as National Electronic Tolls Collection. RuPay provides a great security to the information related to the customers.
NPCI, a non-profit organization which burns with passion of excellence. Let's take a SWOT analysis and understand how it can reach greater heights. Strength. आज मैं एक पेन से लेकर पेन बनाने वाली कंपनी के स्टॉक्स तक खरीद सकती हूँ with a single click और with QR. Yes, it is possible with the e-payment facilities provided by NPCI. In October 2019, NPCI has processed almost 48% payment volume in India, which has made P2P transactions easier. Weaknesses. Some of the weaknesses of NPCI is delayed transaction, cyber crimes, transaction limit, and requirement of cooling period. As it is said, prevention is better than cure, so we have not to share our confidential details. Let's take a look to opportunities of NPCI. SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. कहने को तो है वो एक इंडिपेंडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बट इट इज एक्चुअली कंट्रोल्ड बाय यूएस एंड अदर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज जो यूएस डॉलर की डिमांड बनाए हुए हैं. सो द वैक्यूम क्रिएटेड बाय द डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ स्विफ्ट हैज क्रिएटेड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर NPCI's UPI. Here comes India's financial tech, NPCI's UPI. Some of the countries like Thailand, UAE, Cambodia, etc. are looking forward to enable UPI in their countries, which will cost the transaction limit 5% will reduce to be 2%. आज हम एक कनेक्टेड दुनिया में जी रहे हैं. आज हमें एक ऐसे सिस्टम की ज़रूरत है कि जो पॉलिटिकल क्राइसिस के समय अग्रेसिव स्टैंड लेकर फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस ना क्रिएट कर सके, और इसके लिए हमें अपनी स्पीड को एक्सेलरेट करने की ज़रूरत है. And we have to acknowledge and spread awareness about the digital payment and transaction in India.